Hi, my name is James Petches, and today I'm going to take you through a really fun look where you use multiple techniques to create something kind of cool. So I'm going to start off with the Mystify styling spray. I'm just going to dampen down this area along the hairline. Sometimes we can just spray it right onto the brush it back. I'm just going to go through and we're going to prep it with a blow dryer. After we blow dry the hair, we're going to making sure that we're nice and smooth around all the edges going away from the face. Next, I'm going to section out a mohawk section back to the occipital bone. And you can see we're clipping the hair out of the way on both sides before we go through and we braid the top out. So to help us with our braid out today and to give it a little bit more of a texture, we're going to use a little bit of the flash form. And what I'm going to do is just spray that throughout the top area, and then we're going to continue using it into the sides. I also like using something like the flash form because this is going to give me a little bit more of a clean separation through the sides and help me with the front with the little flyaways. We're going to start off with our braiding and just doing normal cornrow and adding hair as we go along. You can see the flash form is helping me by just keeping a little bit more of the texture. It's a little bit easier to maneuver. We're going to continue this braid all the way down just to the occipital bone. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take a normal rubber band, and where the braid ends, we're just going to band it off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take this hair, this section that sits above the ears, we're going to prep that with the flash form, and that's going to drag over the top while leaving this hair hanging down. What I do first is I'm going to brush it through, and then I'm going to use my fingers just to keep it a little bit softer. I'm going to do the same thing with the other side. And what I'm trying to do here is brush it so all the grain is going straight back, because we're going to connect this with another rubber band. We're going to connect this together. Now I'm going to take this rubber band and I'm going to wrap around my thumb and twist this in. And the rubber band is going to be helpful just to keep this secure in place. Throw in another one just to make sure that's strong. I'm going to leave this hair down, and then I'm just going to finish off with a little bit more flash form. So this is a fun little style to do by using the Mystify restyling spray, where we're going to rework the front and get all the hair going away from the face, and then we're going to using the flash form spray wax through the top and through the sides just to give the hair a little bit of a weightiness. And by using different techniques, we come up with this fun half up, half down style.